Are you allergic to yourself? I've never seen you sneeze like that. Ah, poor guy. You got something in your nose?